Kingston. 1 star. 1 star. Dear 1 star. They know about the good life stuff.
That they know about good life, so good life there.
In TrenchTown.
Yeah. And the tourist board have to stop telling people about to avoid TrenchTown because no tourists never get hurt boy yet.
Never.
No time in a Jamaica tourists ever come to Jamaica and get hurt. They need to stop telling people.
In TrenchTown, never.
In a TrenchTown, and give them a shot fire.
Tourists never get hurt.
So we're not going to tell us a shot no fire down here. Shot fire down here.
Yeah.
But them bush fire in the world shot no fire.
Everywhere. Same one of them curse that stuff.
Them bush fire in the world shot no fire. But I know for sure when the tourists come here, them safe.
Yeah, for sure. When them come
safer with we than them yard.
In TrenchTown. True. Paper. This is my dear one brother. We grew up together. Here in TrenchTown. Youth days, much mean? Youth days. All the day. Benjamin!
Straight Benjamin.
Straight Benjamin.
One Benjamin.
One Benjamin of the good life. See you there every time. Big up yourself. Run for life. The stuff, you stop playing ball.
No, I stop there. 5 the boys don't see me. Back in the Premier League, you know?
Yeah, because them back in the Premier League now though.
No, they're in a Super League.
Yeah, no.
They have to go back to Premier League, you know? Still.
Yes, yes,
playoff. Going to playoff.
Cool, no? Playoff. And see there, this is Kingston. Liquor wholesale and retail. We have bar and everything here.
Yeah. It's in a good place because you sit down and play that, you know.
See there? Give them a preview of the bar.
Sit down, see sports bar in there. All everything.
Sports bar, everything. Hey, but Chelsea. Don't give it a go.
Premier League sports bar, man. See them.
Premier League sports bar in TrenchTown. So my team there, Manchester United. Liverpool flag big in here, those stuff.
Them man never stand at one man.
The Liverpool bar. The Liverpool bar. Oh, go on.
Are you from Liverpool?
Are you a Liverpool?
Yeah, man. Oh. You want me showing from there and start. Half pound.
Show which one then I stand. Which one you then? You can't see it. Are you that?
Yeah, half pound.
Road custard. In the stands. Anfield. Yes,
so
yes.
in the Tottenham thing, you know it was small piece. We're in Chelsea, so we're just getting on the
Yeah, man, you blue, man.
City, just getting on the look at the thing happening.
Oh, I dear one sports every day, they're going down to
Which one? NBA. Oh, NBA. And double F. Oh, I dear one. The Rock says. Oh, I dear one sports. See you here. Good life. See him where man.
The boy are nice, see him where man. As we tell you, say, yo, people have really come and TrenchTown to know, say, yo, place covered up like that, you see?
Yeah, true.
So, if you listen, people, everybody has their own perspective. So if you listen to people, they're not going to come, but life in a TrenchTown nice.
Right, I know. So right now, so
we treat you like a own, you're welcome.
I know.
Nobody knows.
I know we are giving them a preview to them.
Sorry, I come so late. There's the amount of tourists that walk up and down on the street with them tour guide. Nobody knows.
Just know. That's our culture here still, you know.
Tourists walk by themselves. Tourists never need tour guide in. Them walk by themselves like them living here.
Yeah. No tour guide them need.
Them not ask nobody. Them walk and look and video and take them own picture.
Yeah, true.
Take all them own taxi and the hotel come down here.
Go over there. Go over there.
Preview. Okay. Big up your brother. Big up another good life.
Big up my brother though.
Yeah.
Let's go and hold the faith, my brother. Yeah.
Yeah. Pick up yourself.
Yes, your son come and read, man.
Brother David, Mike, I go see you, you know, tweet, I go see you. So now brother shy up.
Big up Felicia and tweet also alongside her husband.
Oh.
Yeah.
Look for that.
And Mike and his wife also tweet. Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know, sorry, man, this and thing. No.
Place nice again.
Yeah, the place nice again this year. But this is a long time connection. It's not a part.
Joe back in there?
Yeah.
And a good life. JJ this, you know.
Yeah.
Massive dread son.
Yeah.
Gang. Bob Marley family, the whole entourage, see me, make them know.
You don't know him have to come find me although even though I just wake. You don't know me still have to give him peace because my brother try a thing.
Yeah.
Like after work.
After work.
And I started me and say, come back I'm hometown for know say right thing, to share the real good life. I watch you zinc fence them, but still I live good.
Still I live good.
See me I say brother,
Yeah.
now war, they all live same way. So
Yeah.
I say people, just give him the strength, give him the support.
Yeah.
Start him thing.
Then tell now.
Understand I will take off bigger than a Boeing 757 right now.
Alright.
You see
But
me?
I want to tell you, see you do a lot of things as well for the place. All heap of work I see you put in on the ball field and on the place where. But we want to show the people them.
Yeah,
what you
well,
do.
to be honest, you know really, we have to show you back some long time clippings.
Yeah.
But it not really, you know the best of health right now over there.
But it's still an effort.
Irrigation under the ground over there, and government don't build a wall. So
Yeah.
that's why we even put on the water on it.
Okay.
See me I say?
Yeah.
So irrigation under the ground, we have a pump. So we just have to wait for them to do the wall because if we put back water on it, we can't go maintain it, we can't monitor it then.
Yeah,
Because picnic just can't go on it when they're ready.
Yeah,
And
true.
we don't want to get in trouble with nobody.
Okay.
So when them do them wall, we put the gate and they will just put back water for our field.
Yeah, sure.
But good, the greatest thing, the grass root them over there and the irrigation under the ground and the water system there. So
Yeah.
the government don't do them thing. Straight good life
Straight.
and good football.
We want
good
to highlight them to come show with the place, for them see the place, you know.
Yeah, man.
Jail. Retire baller.
Yeah.
Can't play football anymore.
Yeah,
Age reach we.
yeah.
A retire baller.
I mean, now what time we play for Portmore, we play for Arnett, play for Boys Town. So,
yeah.
come up hang up a boat.
Yeah. So I'll shop on them thing they pan right here, so JJ, them thing never used to be here before.
Well, it's a might thing this in a concrete. If you make out right now, but it's the government that come to them walls, so
Yeah.
we have to move it off on the sidewalk, because development.
Okay, so now we're gonna end up moving.
No, that cut me up.
Call this man careful.
Careful.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, careful.
Every car with up on the block of them man I wash it.
Yeah.
See tank there?
See there? So we could carry our system.
Yeah man.
Careful.
So we set up on Sunday and thing. You see me?
There.
Wash off everything.
And we on, tell them which street we on.
First street with the
We on First Street. This is the Bob Marley Street.
You see me?
We're showing the Bob Marley, we're showing the
everything.
park.
You see me?
Oh, my Bob Marley.
Yeah. So I'm say, the government have built them wall from up top, come straight down. And do them thing, go straight down. So once them do for them thing, we're good. Then so we have a water tank, which probably see the water system.
Okay,
Right, so we have it. So due to how the fence them tear down and thing, and then the pump then up stop work, we have to get a new pump.
Okay.
You see me? But as you can see, the whole of them thing are grass root.
Yeah.
And once rain start fall back, everything does catch back grass. You see me?
And this is the football field where me play a lot of football growing up.
Well, to be honest, I only
Yeah.
man this teach to play ball.
Yeah, I used to teach you to play football.
You see me I say?
We
Bob Marley's
experience.
son them play over here. You see me I say?
Yeah.
You have a couple man at Belgium now up. You hear them play. Kotikan restaurant. You see Kotikan restaurant, come up on Google and on a joke.
Right now, yeah.
Right now.
So you think it's official?
So it's just that.
Ah, I'm a general. Big up yourself, big up yourself.
Irrigation under the ground. And 12 sprinkler under the ground.
Right now.
So we connect it from. But the tank that is on the sidewalk.
Yeah.
Right, that's all.
Yeah.
What I say, you see, government say them have to build the wall. We have to load them in the door.
Yeah, cause at least them are gonna start do some work.
Exactly.
Okay. And this is the library in TrenchTown.
Reading center, we have a barber shop.
Look, I remember when I was here, it wasn't like this. But now, it's way improved. So developed. Oh, go on. Still I look fierce on me in a good life, you know.
Yeah. Juvenile them over the reading center. Want to interview for the good life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chat to them, man.
Yeah.
Alright?
Alright, then big up yourself, JJ.
Alright, brother.
Good life.
Fuck out them, man. You must check that time, so you have got the corner.
How cash? People and me grow this youth, you know. I'm grew up past me now.
Yeah.
Mummy, it's a cash here. Big man cash. The cash, what we have here, cash?
A smoothie bar.
Smoothie bar, more and smoothie as you're talking.
Smoothie bar, so you can go by the cover till morning time, so no?
Same way.
Needing them for work and things, isn't it?
Yeah.
Today I take care of the tourists, them, man.
Same way.
From the work, we grab them belly, you know we have them stuff, isn't it?
Same way. Where my grab my belly, more and smoothie still in the cash.
So you like a smoothie?
Right away. Right away. Where do you think go? Right, cash, real one. Well, cash is tired of me now, man. Yeah. Cash tired of the star with our life. Hey, bring a good life. Scatter.
Good life.
Good life. Good life. What's up, man? You see this morning? You know what you did? Where you see me tag you?
You two days from before.
Before. Yeah.
When you still remember that comment, them say sign in, so let me sign in, you know this.
Yeah, so you know, well you have to go sign in, because you know them are going to see you.
I want to love good life. I want to love better.
You see me? Scatter, photo man. What go on with me? What go on? Grow past you. Grow past you though. Yeah man, scatter man, long time man. You see that dance?
Wow, and a DJ.
And a DJ. So you have to give us something of the good life man. People them, they pray for them here what go on man.
Explicit, yeah.
No, I want it clean. Anything we have explicit can't go clean.
Not clean word.
Give us something clean. Let's see everything like 1 sec, yeah? Give me something clean, man. Because you dance and everything a long time, you know, everything, you know. Photo, man. Simia.
You see me girl just give me and nobody tell me about no ketchup, tell me about no vinegar. She looking at my face and says, Scatter, and one day I'm want the something better. So tell me what's the matter, because the man from me yard sleep too much for real and him can't deal with the something proper. So she run go tell her friend, say, God damn it, the most Scatter all of the heart to tell me say you like you, hope me go tell my friend and in a fight me.
Scatter!
Yeah, wow.
Scatter! Still have the long time.
Still have it.
Still, you know, Marcus I can see you, you know. You know Marcus and them man, was a good life. Daily.
I mean, you're Marcus Jackie Chan.
Cheers, Jackie Chang. You see that the dance them same way?
Yeah, man.
Mustang.
My name self-defense.
Self-defense.
Yeah, good.
Alright. So which one I can give me, you know? Self-defense, kind of people want to learn to fight.
Self-defense, yeah.
Hey, self-defense. Self-defense. Remember that one day, you know? Yeah, remember that one day forward. Wheelchair. You know this? Wheelchair.
The skateboard.
Skateboard now. Skateboard. Hey, skateboard. Which one next time I want? You next time I want.
Anything will be great. You want the other foot?
Alright, Udo foot. Yeah, Udo foot. Hey, Udo foot. Udo foot. Udo, scatter. I like that scatter out of it, you know. Big up yourself, man. Culture yard with them. There, man, can't believe what the man was grew up on, Mr. I like a business still, I like what you do, you know? See them. So what we having at this now? The people them know.
Strawberry. A mixed fruit product that one day.
That's a mixed fruit. One?
Mixed fruit.
Okay.
So everything is in the bag is inside.
Yeah.
You have two of them in the field?
Yes, strawberries.
Two are the same thing.
Alright then.
Stew there, fried chicken there, oxtail there, whole food there.
Sofia, there.
Yeah, walk on everybody.
You got a good life.
Oh, the smoothie.
Bad.
Bad,
You
yeah,
remember them
man.
a smoothie, Sofia?
Big up the SMK smoothie shop.
See you there.
Smoothie sandwich and everything.
And this is Cash Mom, people.
Yeah, original foundation.
Original foundation.
Yeah.
Bob Marley.
man.
Sofia, introduce yourself with them now.
Yeah, man. So my name is Sofia from the community. I'm the tour manager for the TrenchTown Culture Yard. Also the owner for the smoothie shop.
Yeah.
Also runs an hostel inside.
Yeah.
It's called the Talking News Hostel.
Okay.
Right, so anything you want.
And that's your son, right?
Yeah, that's my
Cash.
son, my big son, my
Inside
first
there.
child.
Let's
Yeah.
have finish, we'll go over there, we'll give them the tour guide. We get one more Jimmy's family. Sofia, the moment see her be smiling. I'm release one this morning, you know. You know, you can see that one there. Cash should have watch it still.
Okay.
We're up at Terrace Street, we're
Look
Robert
up on
them.
Facebook from morning.
We're Robert them and Murray up on the one of them released this morning. And Kid.
Yeah, man, so this is First Street. You know where the Culture Yard is located.
The Bob Marley Street,
Right.
First Street.
And just want persons to understand that for the Culture Yard itself, it's not just about Bob Marley. But it's about all the icons, all the artists and the musicians from TrenchTown. You know, whether you're a musician, cricketer, footballer, we speak about them just to see.
Yeah.
To show them more respect for our community and what they have done for us. See there? Birthplace of Jamaica's legacies.
TrenchTown Culture Yard.
Yeah.
I like the thing there, you know.
See you born here.
Born here.
Yeah, I like
Introduce yourself to the Jamaica Good Life program.
Yeah. Rastani, saying.
Rastani.
Yeah, man.
Me a friend from Facebook, man.
Yeah, man. We got Star Production, saying I made that.
Yeah, me a friend
I'm
from.
to do some tracks and things, you know? Yeah, man.
Stay me in the music.
Yeah, man. Yeah, set speed, man.
In the studio, stay me.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
You mean over there?
Yeah, studio still over there.
Yeah, man. It's over the same way, but it's kind of big and all. Cause the virgin the pass off in a Ziggy Soul, you know?
Yeah.
See, and then the original Alternative family come back now.
Yeah.
See, now? Are you that? Or Junior that? Yeah, man.
Junior.
Hey, Junior! Yeah,
we're going over
link
there.
him. Go link Junior.
Pick
see?
up yourself, my general.
Yeah, man.
Let them know.
Lama
Yeah, man.
Lama.
Place original, Rima, man.
Original.
Yeah, man.
Say things,
Yeah. Yeah, I love the feelings. You know, I feel well at home.
yeah.
I feel so good.
Until you come here, you're always at home. And what do you, man?
It was a long time me here follow up on Facebook, so you still know. Tweet son, you remember Tweet from Third Street?
Hey.
Yeah, Tweet son.
Yeah, yes, I follow up on it. How you mean, man? How you mean, man? I love that, man.
Yes, man, I follow
Yeah, man. How you mean, man? I love that, man. I love
Big up
that.
on yourself, man.
See, when I tell you, see, Junior, you know Junior, you know. I mean, a member in but Alternative family. Them man they play bass guitar in there, so when we used to rehearse in the rehearsal room there, so over the years.
Yeah.
Man, they play penalty. Yeah, man.
Just remember, I mean, I remember.
Yeah.
But definitely.
Yeah, man. But
People will definitely.
but the music room was here the live race.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah.
When I was younger.
Yeah, when everybody from the
Younger. Definitely.
Cash. Starting, you know, come on. Hey, good life. How you say, you know, a 40 there, you know, when you're up on the start, you know. And the drive, you know me I deal with.
Yeah, you know, see hard liner, aka say that the barber god, you don't know they are not chop boss, but we're not after Walter.
Yeah, man, I want that just pass, you know. Yeah, we're there in TrenchTown and go on all the vibes. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
See you there. So what is up?
This man, so
No. So we're there in the state.
America and England with them man. Yeah.
Because the whole Brixton in the same.
See that?
Badness guy.
Oh, Jamaica.
Birmingham.
See you.
Mean it.
See you, man.
Yeah, that blood.
See you. So I say when I give you something more for this something.
Reach for you guys.
Yeah, music, then the right man and the right thing, man. See some energy then.
You want to get the pressure out of promote it name wow. You understand? 40X Ingenious, you can find it on YouTube, Mini Brings Production. You understand? But like how they live, we're going to just live. So you know the style going, you know. Watch you go and we'll find the next one fast.
That's good life. Shaban at the building.
Yeah, man, every time, man. I want
You know, see how many brings alongside the bigger brings, you know?
every time I make that.
Well, you know, see how many brings alongside bigger brings, you know? You know the style. Alright then, I'm walking out with that. Yeah, get a new girl every week that. And I walk close them not cheap like meat parts. Every girl I say I'm walking and them sweetheart. Go and the bad one them can't come. And I was style them fresh with them spoil like. Alright then, I when me pull up at the white lady, every girl start jump like leaf. But I want their name. Whoa, whoa, I want that one their name. Whoa, whoa, I want that one their name. Whoa, whoa, I want that one their name. Whoa, they can't catch that one their name. Whoa, whoa, Kingston that one their name. Whoa, whoa, I want that one their name. Whoa, whoa, and I show them how mixed up now walking. How we go? Walking out and him act like World Cup, yeah. Cocks 1 feet and a turtle, yeah. Walking around down there, yeah. I him a lock the place and I him a lock the world too. And him a soft like yeah. Can't this a link how we certain. Cause the links them big like the whole universe. And a good life run off the turf for that one they name. Yeah man, they know the style, we ain't a good life.
Good life.
Save time. You know it going on.
Good life.
I like one. I keep punching. I keep punching. And you get the one kick so, you got boom like pumpkin.
I want to start walking. Right now. I can punch him. I can punch him. I can punch him. Then he get a one kick so, he got boom like pumpkin. Punch him. I can punch him. I can punch him. Then he get a one kick so, he drop boop like up. Then he rock back, and him step back, and him attack. Pop, pop, and him rock back, and him get back, and him attack. Pop, pop, I can punch him. I can punch him. I can punch him. Then he get a one kick so, he drop boop.
Good life.
Yeah, good life, you know good life. You go say. Yeah man.
Yeah.
Watch Ali there. Watch Ali there. Watch Ali there.
Good life.
Hey, yo, so nice. Girl, them a tell me say we look so nice. Hey, so nice. Girl, them a tell me say them love be a revised car. So we nice. Pick up the Guinness and we feel paranoid. Hey, I so we nice. Slap with the bar when I watch the price. Oh, we party. Me say we party now. Apple fat coffee in and we party cup. We a dance and a rave till we start to top. The girl a wine for me till they can't get up. How we go? So far, we shall love the bar. And we a mini brings little youth them apart. Fat on the Jeep and fat on the car. The whole of we a star. The whole of we a star. Look at there, take the chaser. Tell a pretty girl they link me later. A straight party we set in the area. And the girl them alone mini brings safer. Hey, tell the girl they be Janira. Cause we pocket full of money, full of share. And now tell me about them and car we no cater. And you know a brings man around the area. So every girl start wine and start to pull up. Every man know a girl and start to pull up in the party. Every girl bubble up, bubble up, bubble up, bubble up, bubble up. Hey, so nice, so nice, so nice. Y'all them a tell me say we look so nice. Hey, so nice, so nice, so I'm say good life, good life. Alright, good life. What's your style now? What's your breed? Hot job, so that's it. Which is right. Good life. Alright, good life. So me fuck this girl on the net. Do them lyrical, me say me get this something when she say oh me bad. So I'm gonna get this something yet. Hot chops in her belly, I'm gonna make this something wreck. The girl fly down on a private jet. Say she want to smoke something like cigarette. Every time she see me, yeah, she get wet. And anytime I gone, you know she start fret. Cause what this British girl pop up in my DM and tell me how much you want me be with them. And me say, make her link up a dream weekend. And she say, she a bring couple of for a friend. And me say, me every time only charge it them. And she say, alright, so make we party then. Because she love off the vibes, love off the style now. She don't want the party end. Say she want the whole way over England. Say we not no visa, we don't have the step. Say she have the links, you know she know rent. Big X embassy immigration. She say she already tour every nation. Say she want a black man real Jamaican. Say she hear me some on the radio station. Say she have to come back a yard for me. Just roll up in at the airport. I good life. I really make something fast food. No? Yeah. You know TrenchTown with them. I'm do something for TrenchTown. No, I'm 40. How you go? How we tell them? TrenchTown how we did that. I'm a thing that we touch a first street dog. Second street don't say no mean parts. Every girl at 10th street and them are my sweetheart. Over Liverpool street you can't come. And if you want taxi, you have to go up in street. How you go? Hey, I want to pull up on the big tree and say you know, say we there 6th street. Alright, touch you with him again. Touch you with him again. Who's a good life in the afraid of them. And in the eat chicken in the eat no end. Strictly vegetable in a nature kitchen. And in the rubber go we say we rock it papa. You know bring screw we are the real that. Watch your style man good life. A freestyle and a watch your style. Don't style. Pass the weed in a party. Pass the weed in a party. In a me head make me lossy. In a me head make me lossy. Me now pass it. Pass the weed in a party. What me say you know? Pass the weed in a party. In a me head make me lossy. Alright, hold this hard line, just take a jar. Give a job, street, cause we never pass. This is the day no we got. If you don't have to we'll forget that one day, no pass the way, no party, because I think I do thing. Our lifestyle we sing more. Also our lifestyle, we mean deliberate our lifestyle. It's what I need, man. Well, I need that. Come show them how I want to get car. We show them how we live a lifestyle. You see what I do? Hey, so we started, pass the weed now party. And we started, pass the weed now. You know me brain to me lossy. You know me brain to me lossy. Me now pass the weed now party. I mean, pass the weed now party. You know me head make me lossy. You know me brain make me lossy. Me now alright. Well, this hard line, just take a jar. Give a job stream. Me no know where I'm gone. This is take 2. Cause we never pass, me tell them a nature of the better jar. And this will make your eye like a just a jar. Up in my brain, you see me head apart. This a weed when me reach to another land. And we tell them physical, and me say pass the weed the party. You know, I'm finding to them feel fast and quick, you know where they're ready. Alright, Skater shot the eye and you don't know his style, bro. Because Skater say one piece, you have to get peace. You understand what I do? And you know it going on. Mercy.
No for them when you talk, Skater shot no afraid of Uno could have bad thing a favor junk Uno. Still no afraid of Uno. Cause from the day me born, me never run from nobody. This Skater shot touch man, you a go sorry. Don't feel one of the things when you meet now. Come back at the place and just for me, murder all you. All of you. I let it in and you when me spot pan. But me that me play straight like play me. Be a place. After me do that money climb in the ladder, who not like that? Father, you're hungry, sister, your brother. Who policy, me the rings and scatter. Pull out with together like a bird of a feather. Nothing can come between man, come on now. Look at this side, hands are the punk as they strike away miss. Me not want to effect every car. Don't tell us if it. Me not get her. Don't tell us if it. Me not get her. Left them. Who are they in a the gutter? Make drunk on them.
Alright, come on, wall. Tell them we ready for 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 we lock down. Yeah, that we lock down America. We lock down Kim. Lock down Erica. Yeah, attend them get out of the berita. This rat chop and that them very far. No Chris, coulda never ever marry ya. And don't call them go make band the cellular. What? Shot fly through boy medilla. Man evil and dark from a war man ready for. Them go the band them every year. Them a walk with the key about the 6 months every year. People have a dead in here. Oh yeah, so this is a god. Alright then. What's your style on a good life? You are dealing with different kind of winner. You hear me now? Hear me now, Buddha God. Every day we touch you with money we seek for. Someone make a organize a parakita. Listen to me voice and Buddha touch his speaker. Son of play rhythm quality to sweeter. I say tackle and Buddha have a speaker. Y'all speak Spanish I say mama sita. When we touch you with you we what you don't know what? This is bad talk. Hey, put it on top of the party. Can you don't know not to laughing at the party. Alright sport. You know the style. Jam Scott, near range them say. Good night. I will tell them a big span bricks so we bluffing. When they see we in the street and not shouting. And the mad thugs them rich not laughing. Who a draw close we have to stop him. Cause money are the free now. Wanna get richer, yeah. Money are the free now. We are the gold digger ready. We'll see for how we have to get richer. And we now prepare to chicken but we have to get richer cause what? Yeah, money are the free now. Wanna get richer. Fuck the man inna and the thugs them the inna the block to that, yeah. Come on and live them life. Celebrity they are now. Hey, don't get bad mind to just see man alright. Yeah, good life.
Alright. Me and the girl them sonic. So when me have met the girl them vomit. Y'all feel the weight in a me pants sink a rocket. Took off and she gone down a bucket. All of a never tell a friend oh me can. Friend them a come and a talk but you scatter. Oh much you make the little girl something. After that one of them come back say they will water try. Never know the wrong man she come. Did the fly as we start feeling it in the girl show don't I. Well for me and she a big. Let me stop me say me nah stop because tonight you are gonna get flop. Think of when you sit up with your friend and a laugh and I tell you the different them how the youths off. No, that's scatter shot, catch a 9 palm. Now stop, now stop, now stop, knock your down. Sonic, hey, watch out now. Alright, from the say gospel mind of them eating. They got the people, them must be too wicked. All in a toxic and she gon' meet him. Hug up and kiss, yeah, that's how she greet him. So y'all will borrow them sister clothes and a pose in a dance that them jealous rose. Get up the baby and a take 5 sister, none of them still don't make one. Not even a TV, a bed nor a fan. And of them a follow mackerel and not people, man. Anything you do, me you do yourself. 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 Take it down, buckle with the pan shelf. Anything you do, me you do yourself. Cool, calm, get a shot, relax yourself. Them two bad minds, so me have to watch myself. Anything you do, me you do yourself.
We know we're there in a Buddha God in a good life. Every day with Jim if you want to live a good life. Alright then hot chops. Stay there more time and we just cross. We not rise the mat 9 o'clock. We just take the talk of phone and see. Why them go away? Make it in a life. Tell me why them go away. Feel alright, tell me why them do away. Make it in a life, tell me why them do away. Feel alright.
Good life, hey!
Aye, every day them get up, them fight with. But we blessed by the Almighty, mighty. So them now feel like we. Like a dog, them want to bite it. I some of something very spicy. This time now we back and then fight it. Yeah, the best they do avoid me. I listen to that song and when they, hey, why them don't worry? Make it in a life. Tell me why them don't worry. Feel alright.
Them don't want to make it in a life, in a good life. You understand what I deal with? Just because a good life they are with, that means we life have to good. You know what I mean? We are blessed, so we make it out. See young blind, better shut your mouth. Already you a get pushed out. Down in the girls who say this and no better rose. We get 6 like that, me know. I be a tell you about changes. Life come with stages. In the ghetto look a girl having babies. You know she said them a slave we. I work with you just for minimum wages. Good life, you know the style in a bricks party. You know you go. Same time bro, I got hot jobs. Think of yourself good life. You know the style go. Scatter shot there, chop boss. You know it in a greasy current style. The kids there, them tune in hard line, a top squad. Wow king. Yo, wow king.